Does your heavy American V8 engine feel incredibly weak, run rough, and smell heavily of raw, unburned gas? You might have a severe fuel leak hiding right under your hood. Today, we are breaking down diagnostic trouble code P02B9, which means the main computer has detected a leaking fuel injector, specifically on cylinder number 8. Your engine requires a highly pressurized and extremely precise spray of fuel into each cylinder to run smoothly. The powertrain control module constantly monitors the exhaust oxygen sensors and crankshaft position to adjust the exact fuel trim. When it detects a lean condition and pinpoints the issue to the number 8 cylinder, it throws this specific trouble code to warn you. The symptoms of a leaking fuel injector are highly noticeable and dangerous. You will experience heavily diminished engine performance, a massive drop in your miles per gallon, and a rough misfire that shakes the entire vehicle. The check engine light will stay brightly illuminated. The primary causes for this code usually come down to a mechanically failed fuel injector that is stuck open and leaking fuel directly into the combustion chamber. Other causes can include a shorted-out fuel injector electrical circuit, a blown system fuse, or a failing oxygen sensor that is giving the computer bad information. To troubleshoot this issue at home, you will need an automotive stethoscope and a digital volt-ohm meter. Start by opening the hood and locating the fuel injection rail on cylinder number 8. Perform a careful visual inspection of the outside of the injector for any signs of heavy corrosion or wet fuel leakage. If you smell strong raw gas or see a puddle, stop immediately. If everything looks dry, start the engine and place the tip of your stethoscope directly against the cylinder 8 fuel injector. You should hear a very steady, rhythmic clicking sound as the internal valve opens and closes. If you hear absolutely nothing, or if the sound is very strained compared to the other cylinders, that injector is likely dead or heavily clogged. Next, use your digital volt-ohm meter to test the electrical connector. You should find constant battery voltage on one side and a pulsing ground signal from the computer on the other side while the engine is running. If you confirm the injector is mechanically leaking, or if you do not feel comfortable working around highly pressurized fuel lines, it is time to call a professional mechanic immediately. A severe fuel leak can easily cause catastrophic engine damage or start a fire under the hood. A certified technician will have the advanced scanner tools required to perform an automated injector balance test and safely relieve the fuel pressure before replacing the faulty parts. Get it fixed right away and keep your truck safely on the road.